CoinJar Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to CoinJar are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its key features, who it's best suited for, and whether it's a good choice for crypto investors. CoinJar is one of the longest-running cryptocurrency exchanges in Australia, launched in 2013. It is designed for both beginners and experienced traders. Offering a simple interface, fiat on-ramp support, and a secure environment for buying, selling, and holding crypto. The platform supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and other major cryptocurrencies, making it a solid option for those looking to trade or invest in digital assets. One of CoinJar's standout features is its seamless fiat integration, allowing users to deposit and withdraw AUD and GBP via bank transfers, credit cards, and PayID. This makes it a great option for Australian and UK users who need an easy way to enter the crypto market. CoinJar also offers a mobile app, ensuring a smooth trading experience across devices. For fees, CoinJar charges a flat 1% for instant buys and sells, while its CoinJar exchange offers lower trading fees starting at 0.1%, catering to more advanced traders. The platform also provides a CoinJar card, a Visa debit card, that lets users spend crypto in real time, converting assets at the point of sale. Security-wise, CoinJar follows industry best practices, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, encryption, and secure cold storage for the majority of funds. It is also fully registered with AUSTRAC in Australia and the FCA in the UK, ensuring compliance with financial regulations. While CoinJar is ideal for Australian and UK investors, it may not be the best option for those outside these regions, as fiat deposits are limited to AUD and GBP. Additionally, it lacks a wide range of DeFi and advanced trading tools compared to global platforms like Binance or Kraken. Overall, CoinJar is a reliable, beginner-friendly crypto exchange with strong fiat support, a secure infrastructure, and additional features like a crypto debit card. If you're in Australia or the UK, this is a solid platform to consider. Check the links in the description to get started.